My colleague Vanessa Murdock is right now in Suffern, New York. Vanessa, look, you're all snow covered right now. It's clearly sticking out there. Why don't you take it from here?
Yeah, it absolutely is, Lonnie. You're talking about the changeover where I'm standing in Suffern, New York. That changeover more likely to happen closer to the 11 p.m. hour tonight. That means we have many more hours to go. This is one of those spots where we're going to see more of the exceptional snowfall totals, likely closer to the 6-inch, maybe even 8-inch mark. Let's check out what's happening here on the ground. We've gotten close to 3 inches right now. Again, Lonnie, focusing on the heavy, wet snow. This is why I want to bring your attention up to the trees here in Suffern, New York. You're saying, why is she showing me the empty leaved tree? Well, here's the deal. In many locations within our viewing area, we know the leaves are still hanging tight on the trees, and already what's happening is the weight of this heavy snow is starting to break branches out there. For some locations, certainly this could cause power problems. Something to keep in mind if you're out walking this evening, if you see those branches weighted down, you want to show extra caution moving about. In addition, obviously, on top of the roadways being an absolute disaster. Let's talk about what we have moving forward. First off, I am standing in a location where there is a winter storm warning in effect. This is one of those spots where we're going to see some of the biggest totals, and really this spans north and northwest of the city, that winter storm warning. Winter weather advisory in effect for so many, where we'll see slightly lesser totals, but still big impacts with regard to high winds and also the possibility of coastal flooding. So on that note, high winds will be a factor as we go through the overnight hours. We're expecting winds to gust as high as 50 miles per hour, especially close to the coast. This will be overnight into tomorrow morning. That could cause some power problems as well. And then we get to the coastal impacts. We're not expecting major flooding with this, but nonetheless, the possibility of some minor coastal flooding during tomorrow morning's high tide cycle. We could just see 1 to 2 feet of water over land as we go through the early morning hours tomorrow right along the coastline. Of course, the snow continues to fall very heavily here. We've got more hours to go before the changeover. We'll keep you posted from Suffern, New York. We're live with the Mobile Weather Lab. Vanessa Murdock, CBS 2 News.